This video is about the inspection process of ball screws before shipment. Taking the customized non-standard GIX0802 as an example, the shaft end of this ball screw adopts a large platform design according to the customer's requirements. First, inspector wears rubber gloves to prevent product's metal surface from being contaminated by hand sweat, moisture, or stains, avoiding rust and appearance problems. Secondly, the inspector turns the ball nut to feel the smoothness of the screw and check whether there is any jamming phenomenon. Next, we use calipers to measure the length of the corresponding parts, the depth of the keyway, and the size of the mounting holes on the flange. Then a micrometer is used to measure the outer diameter of the shaft and the diameter of the nut, and according to the drawing's threaded hole specifications, use corresponding standard screws for fitting inspection to assess if the threaded holes are qualified. For special requirements, use a standard thread gauge for go-no-go inspection. Finally, we test the runout of the screw. First, gently touch the probe of the dial indicator to the surface to be measured and adjust the pressure knob until the pointer rotates to 1/3 of the dial, and then stop turning the knob. Next, rotate the position of the screw to be measured. Observe the runout of the pointer of the dial indicator and combine with the runout value on the drawing to judge whether it is qualified. Record all relevant inspection data in the inspection report. When all the items pass the 100% inspection, we start packing and boxing. In addition, we will also weigh the items before and after packing and record other relevant information such as weights. Meanwhile, we will take photos of the relevant data and keep them for later traceability.